Hello students, in this class we continue the cubes and cube roots exercise 7.1. Question 3 that is given is 192. So first step is we have to prime factorize this to find out whether the given number is a perfect cube or not. So first we'll take 296 then 2, how much, 48, then 2, 48 becomes 24 then 2 12 then 2 6 then 2 3 3 now 3 1. So we write the next step is by prime factorization so 192 equal to, write all this, that is we have 6 2's here. So write down 6 2's and 1 3 is there. So now we have to, what is the next? First step is prime factorizing the given number. Next, grouping these numbers into triplets. So take this 3 one group, this 3 one group, 3 is left out. So write down here grouping the factors in triplets. So triplets. Next step, the prime factor. So what happens here? 3 does not appear. Prime factor 3 does not appear. Just write does not appear in a group of 3. So what we have to do? So we have to write 192 is not a perfect cube. So to make this 192 perfect cube, what we should do? 192 should be divided by 3, which is equal to, write on the 2 group of triplets as it is. So 3 we have to divide and remaining triplets keep as it is. So what happens now? Use the laws of exponent to write this 2 cube into 2 cube. Write down, that is by laws of exponents. Now write down base 2 into 2 and common is the power cube. Again this is by laws of exponents. Now what happens? 192 divided by, that is 3. What happens? 192 3, how much? 6 3 6 18, 1 2 3 4 12. See, this is the answer now. So what happens? 2 into 2, that's how much? 4 cube. So 4 cube is 64. So which is a perfect square, sorry, which is a perfect cube. So this is the solution for this, that is question 3, fourth problem. We move on to the next one, that is the fifth problem. So given is C 704. So first step is prime factorizing the given number. So how much we take? 2 352 then 2 again, that is 176 again 2, we'll take 86 88 then 2, so 244 then 2. This please be fast because I have taught you how to directly write this one. So here 2 methods also I have taught, so I will be fast. So 2 2's 2 into 44, this one. So 2 11's again, now 11's 1. So this is, so by, next step is by prime factorization. So prime factorization, 704 is equal to how many C? 2, 6 2's are there and 111 is there, is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, then into 11 is there. So there are how much? Now group this, we get 2 groups of 2 and 11 is left out. So what we write? The prime factor. First, the other step we have we have to write grouping the factors in triplets. So here also we got, that is 2 groups of 2's we got. Next, see, 11 does not appear in any group, therefore this 704 is not a perfect cube. So next is we have to write the prime factor 11 does not appear in a group of 3. So what we have to do to make it a perfect? So what 704 is not a perfect cube. So make it a perfect cube, what we have to do? 704 should be divided by 11. So now next step is divide 704 by 11. Then so we'll divide and see. Divide 7 11, how much we get? That is 7 6 will get 66. Therefore 4 then 44. So this is the answer. See, again write down the remaining 2 groups of triplets as it is. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, these triplets as it is. So by loss of exponent, write down, we can write 2 as 2 cube into 2 cube. By loss of exponents, so we can write 2 into 2 into cube is common, which is equal to 4 cube, which is equal to 64. Therefore, to make this number a perfect cube, you have to divide 704 by 11. This is the solution. We move on to the fourth problem. So fourth problem here. So the question here is, so Parikshit, I'll just write down the problem. Parikshit makes a cuboid. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides, that is 5 centimeters, 2 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So question is, how many such cuboids will E need to form a cube. Now, so the solution is, first step, volume of the cuboid. How we can write the volume of a cuboid? Volume of cuboid equal to, multiply all this, 5 into 2 into 5 centimeter cube. Since there is only 1 2 in this group and 2 5's are there, in the prime factor. So we need, so two, how many we have? We have two, that is 2 2s and 1 5 is required. So 20 make a perfect cube. Therefore we need 20 such cuboid to make a cube. So solution is, we'll write, so what they have asked, Parikshit makes a cuboid, plasticine of sides 5 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 5 centimeters. How many sub cuboids will be needed to form a cube? So how many cuboids are needed, we should find out. So volume of the cuboid can be written as this one, 5 into 2 into 5 centimeter cube. Now write down the solution, that's all. Since there is only 1 2, see here, only 1 2 and only, that is only 2 5s, 2 5 in the prime factorization. So prime factorization. So what we need? So we need how much? 2 into 2 into 5 we need, means extra 2 needed and 1 5 is needed. Multiply all this, we get 20. That is, next step, 20 to make a perfect cube. So therefore what is the final step? Therefore we need or Parikshit need 20 such cuboids. 20 such cuboids to make a cube. So you understood the question they have given. So here how much Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine sides 2 5 2 and 5. How many such cuboids will be needed to form a cube? So the volume is, multiply all this, then here we have only, that is 5 2 and 2 2. So in order we have to just multiply this by again 2 2s and that is 2 2s and 1 5. So since there is only 1 2 and 5 is 2 by prime factorization, so we have to multiply this by 2 2 and 1 5. So that is 20 to make a perfect cube. So we need 22. We need, or you can write Parikshit needs 20 such cuboids to make a cube. So 20 such cuboids are needed to make a perfect cube. So this is the solution for this problem. That is question 4. We move on to the next question, or next, this completes 7.1 exercise. So we move on to the, that is 7.2. So here the question given is, find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So we'll write down the solution for this problem. That is, so first step is, take this number, prime factorize this one, that is 2s, that is 2s, then again 16s, 2, 8s, then 2, how much, 4s, then 2, 2s, then 2, 1s. So by prime factorization, by prime factorization of 64 is grouping into triplets. Group this. How many groups are there? 6. Correct, 6 is there. So group them into triplets. So finally what we get, that is 2 cube into 2 cube. So by what? By loss of exponents. By loss of exponents, what you write? 2 into 2 cube, which is equal to 4 cube. Therefore we can write root 64 is equal to 4. So by prime factorization we found out this. So cube root of this one is 64 is 4. Now next is 512, they have given 512, same procedure. How much? 2, 256 then 2, 128 then 2, 64 then 2, 32 next is 2, 16 then 2, 8 then 2, 4 next 2 2s, last is 2 1s. So we finish this one. Then count the 2s. Therefore 1 2 there 6 9 2s are there. Therefore write down by prime factorization. Prime factorization of 512 is, that is, how many triplets? 3 triplets are there, into 2, that is this one. 3 triplets are there. This write grouping the factors in triplets. Therefore we can write as 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube. So write down here, that is by laws of exponents. What we can write? Take all the base, that is 2 into 2 into 2 the whole cube. So what happens? 2 into 2 into 2 will become 8 cube. Therefore what we write? That is, so 512 is equal to, that is 8 is the answer. So in this previous problem, that is, see here, 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So 16 into 4 will be 6 4s are 24, 4 to carry 4 and 4, 5 6. So that is 4 will be, so find the cube root of each of the following. The cube root of 64 is 4. So multiply and see. Now here we have, that is 512, see here, 8 into 8 is equal to 8 8s are 64. Then 64 into 8, 8 4s are, that is 24, 4 to carry 8 6 are how much? That is and 5 1 30, I'm sorry, this one 64 into 8 will be 8 4s are 32, 2 3 carry, that is 6 8s are 48, 49 50 51. So I made a mistake here. This one, see, you understood. 6 8 4s are 32, 2 3 carry 8, that is 6 8s are 48, 48 plus 3 will become 51. So cube root of how much? That is 512 is equal to 8. So this one, to find the cube root of a given number, just take the number, prime factorization, prime factorize it step by step. Then what we get is, just take down all this, count how many 2s are there, group them into triplets. So here we got, that is 3 groups of 2, that is 9 2s are there. Group them into triplets, then take the, by laws of exponents, write down this each power and base, then take this base and power common, then write down, multiply this, write down, and write down the cube as a common. Then finally write down that the cube root of 5, 1, 2 is equal to 8. So this is the solution for, we have solved 7.2 two problems. So we'll continue the 7.2 next problem in the next class. If you have any doubts, comment me, subscribe my channel, like and share all the videos. If you have any doubt, please, once again I'm telling, comment me. So subscribe my channel. Thank you.